This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up everything to cloud and to a local computer so you can restore settings and files. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. Make sure OEM unlock is allowed if the device requires it. Next, download the exact factory image and matching fastboot tools for your phone model. These steps prevent bricking and ensure the proper files are available before you attempt any rollback process. You now enter the technical part. Reboot the phone into the bootloader using a DB reboot bootloader or the hardware key combo. After bootloader access, if the bootloader is still locked, you must unlock it with fastboot OEM unlock or fastboot flashing unlock. Be aware this erases user data. Then flash the factory image components, boot, system, vendor, etc. in the exact order specified by the manufacturer using fastboot commands. This replaces the newer build with the older signed image. Finish by rebooting the device and letting the system complete its first boot setup. Monitor for errors and only relock the bootloader once the phone boots normally. If you encounter boot loops or instability, wipe cache and perform a factory reset to clear residual data from the newer build. If problems persist after these steps, restore your backup to return to a stable state or contact the manufacturer for device-specific recovery guidance. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.